Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can do 2022 compilation trend on Instagram. So let us start. To do this trend, first open Instagram. Now click on search option and search this profile. This is my second account where I have created a template on this profile, so you can make your 2022 compilation easily. Now click on the first profile. Now swipe left to go to reel and click on the first reel. Now click on use template to create your 2022 compilation. Now click on add media and add your photos or videos. To make a full reel you need 47 clips. If you don't have so much photos or videos, you can do with whatever you have. Minimum limit is for clips. Now after adding your clips, click on next. Now your reel is ready. If you want to crop a section from a video, click on it, and you will be able to do. Now after adjusting your all clips, click on next. If you want to add text, you can add from the text option, then check your video and click on next. And now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.